This is your news anchor one.
Mic test, sound check 1, 2, 3. This is your news anchor 2.
Mic test, sound test, ABC. This is your news presenter 1.
This is United States Job, your artist for today.
This is DZTV 60. Police headlines.
Acquire smart and super glue quickly spread in the Philippines.
Fire development search over water safety as concession 2026 goes well.
Dockside Cebu collapses, burning 20 people.
Philippines still gets the most prize for the Asian Scrapbook Club Federation United Asian Scrapbook Club Championship 2026.
Now for the details. This card is smart and super glue quickly spread in the Philippines. Here's Lisa Lito for the details.
Last year, 70 cases of super flu was found in many cities of the Philippines. There was a stated flu outbreaks are due to the cold weather, same as the United Kingdom and United States. This is Lisa Lito, your global correspondent.
Fire development search over water safety as concession 2026 goes well. Here's Ken Albert with the law for news.
Real estate enables the most for voters that went by the celebrities after the regular season of play. Saints Stampede made third due to playoffs. All loss of balance for accidental trips. People have said safety of the voters should be the top priority, and it's much better to find an area that offers space and has less people to rescue. And Albert will allow reports.
And next, Dockside Cebu collapses, burning 20 people.
Then more stories to be delivered. So stay tuned. We'll be right back after this short break.
How good news?
News about what?
They've been less increasing the hiring teachers on the national budget.
Oh, yeah. And also, they plan on building even more classroom this year. Isn't that great?
Wow, it's a great year for teachers and students.
What a great way to start 2026. I start confident for education in the Philippines.
According to Education Secretary Sonia Lara, the national budget is a restored 2020 for the education in the Philippines. That is 100% higher over last year. Though it may not be perfect, it is a promise to build a better tomorrow for the Philippines. It really is the great and incredible year for the teachers and students all over the country.
This information is brought to you by the number one leader. And now we're back to the latest top stories.
Once again, this is EZTV 615. Dockside is full losses, burning 20 people. Here's a recap for the news.
20 people have buried alive after a dust collapsed near a big house in the city on Thursday afternoon. Cebu City Councilor Joe Garganera checked their subcommittee department said that emergency responders are sent and the people are rescued while some conducting rescue operations. This is David Kamau, your local correspondent.
Philippines still gets the most prize for the Asian Scrapbook Club Federation United Asian Scrapbook Club Championship 2026.
Thank you.